wall of water it is, washing in. Amazing to see how strong. Look at it. People are still out surfing way out there, taking their lives into their own hands because the beaches have been closed to them because of the riptide. And yet, of course, still, you always have those who want to take a chance. Look at this coming right in front of us here. We're sitting on the beach and it is moving up. And you just see this wall of water. Wow. And it just builds. Not a gentle surf. You can just see it. Actually, it looks like it's getting stronger all the time. Oh, here comes. It builds and it builds and it builds. That's not shallow, I can tell you. Go along this way towards this area and you can see a slightly different perspective. And it's pretty rough. You see that water coming in? Wow. And people are out there surfing. Not want to be out here unless you really know what you're doing. And even then, there have been 5 deaths so far. There was another death out on this beach the other day, an experienced surfer too. And that's just since the new year. Kind of scary. But look at that water. Look at the waves. It's just incredible to see. Pounding the beach. I mean, I'm looking at this in front of me, and I mean, this might look a little small on screen, but right, it's like a ball of water that just rises right up. There we go, another one coming at you. You get to see a little bit of waves start to hit here. This isn't a gentle surf today, I'll tell you that. You see that over on the side. Look. Whoa. People are at the beach, but very few are actually. Okay, and Francis, there's a wall of water coming this way, so I'm going to go back over here. And yep, here it goes. It is really, whoa. No way I want to be. It's still a pretty big wall of water. Just building and building and building. And it's getting closer to us as it sweeps in. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. That is just pounding here. Another wall of water coming. I mean, it seems to really, oh, there it is. That, look at that. Wow. Okay, it's getting much more intense. I can't imagine. Over there I see someone surfing, trying to ride these big waves. Not a safe place. Not a safe time to be surfing. You can see along here just as they're coming in and pounding the beach. You don't want to be in this water. Yeah, this side over here is I'm moving over towards this way, you really tend to see the waves coming in. And there's actually some people out there trying to surf. I've taken a few pictures of them as they bobbed up and down. But it is like, wow. Just again, slowly scanning the surface, and I mean, the water is just climbing up everywhere. Walls of water. Way out there I see there's someone surfing, trying to catch that wave. Look at that. Going under. There we go. Another swell of water, wall coming up. layers. You can see somebody out there on a surfboard, so you get an idea. And then it starts to build. Yeah, I see a little bird walking along there. Watch out, little sandpiper. Pretty rough out there today. Ah, there's that surfer. Going to be building again. Waves will start coming up. I mean, it really is just pounding. Wow. Oh, and over there's some surfers too. Of course, they went under as well. And I have my little sandpiper along the beach here, running now. Can't catch him. He's running too fast. There he is. There he goes. Okay, so now you get an idea of just how powerful these waves are. Oh, there's someone surfing along there. And then he went right under too. Okay, wow. I am not going in that water today.